Hi at home, welcome to Home Bar. Today we've got a really quick class that will be full body and get you energized for your day. It's a plank passé challenge. So just a reminder, passé is bringing the foot to the knee. So this would be parallel here. This would be a turned out passé. That's basically all you need to know. So grab your mat and let's get to it. Okay, so first up is high plank. So take your hands under your shoulders, spread the fingers wide, send your legs back, make sure you're not here, nice long line. Scoop those abs in, spreading across the shoulders. Now we begin our parallel passé. So we bring a foot to the knee and back. Exhale as you bring it forward, inhale back. We do 2 counts of 8 here. 4, 3, 2, we got one more set of 8, hang in there. 7, long line through that neck, don't let those abs get lazy. 4, 3, 2, 1, nice. Now we go to a side plank. So take your right hand right to the center of the mat, open up, take your arm up. Now we try a passé here. So really engage from that bottom side. We take that foot in and back. And in, and back. 4, 2, and 1. Just hold it here for 4 more counts. 4, 3, triangle shape, 2, 1, good. Now we go to a reverse plank. So take yourself onto your bottom for a moment. Hands are gonna just go right here behind your shoulders, fingertips point forward. Lengthen and stretch through the front of the feet. We lift up and tap, warming up into it. 3 more. 2, keep the arms straight the whole time. 1, now hold it here. We do a passé here, parallel passé. In and stretch, and in and stretch. Good, we got a few more. Keep those abs engaged, keep pressing your pelvis and hips forward. 2, 1. Now I just want you to hold it here. Take a little kick and in, and kick and in. For 2, 1, good. Other leg, passé and kick, passé and kick. Just 2 more. 1, hold. Okay, now we're gonna go to the other side for the side plank. So same thing, you're gonna come onto your left hand, bring it to the center of the mat, and then we'll take it to the passé. So here we go. Okay, turn it back around. This time we're gonna go onto our forearms. So take the elbows under the shoulders. This one's a little harder on those abdominals. This time, because we are on our forearms, we don't have enough room for the parallel passé, so we take it to a turned out passé. So you take your knee out to the side, scoop those abs in, long line through the neck, stretch it out. And in, and stretch. It's gonna be 2 counts of 8 again. Still in the first one, so keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. We got one more count of 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, 3, 2, last one. And then just hold it in this plank for 2 more breaths. Inhale in, exhale out. I am shaking. Hope you are too. 1 more. Release, let your knees come down, come into a little mini cobra, just take a nice little stretch. Slide your hands back to the ribs, child's pose. Come up, shake out those wrists. And you made it, you guys. This is a great little quick plank challenge that you can tag on to any class you do, or if you just want a quick energy boost. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you back here soon.